Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where incompatible drivers are blocking memory integrity and core isolation on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update all the drivers at once. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane, and then you can select optional updates in the right pane and install all optional updates. The next one is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, uninstall any specifically problematic driver. So why am I saying this? Because see, the main statement of the error itself is that incompatible drivers are blocking memory integrity. So if the drivers are incompatible, then we can update them. We can remove the ones which, I mean, remove the processes associated with the ones which are problematic. But what about the uninstalling the problematic one completely? We won't be able to find that out, but we can try. Search for device manager and open device manager. Now let us say that we just installed a printer and we know that we installed a printer, or let's say that we installed a camera or something. So expand the camera drivers, right click on it and uninstall it again, click on action and scan for hardware changes. So this is how you can do it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.